Our next step, I'm going to show you the different equipment that you'll need to make your pumpkin ice cream. Now it's very important to have all of the equipment that you will need, which is quite a few pieces, ready before you start. One of the most important things about ice cream is preparation beforehand. Some of the things that I'll be talking about, you need to prepare at least a day in advance. But for the easy things, you'll need a saucepan in which to make the custard. You will need a strainer for straining the custard after it's been cooked. You're going to need several bowls of different sizes. Now it's important to have at least one set of stacking bowls because in order to cool the custard quickly, you're going to have to strain it into one bowl and then put it into an ice water filled bath. So it's important to have bowls that are going to fit together. Then other assorted bowls for mixing up various things. And also you'll want to have some smaller bowls in which to separate the eggs because we'll just be using the egg yolks, not the whites. You'll need measuring spoons, measuring cups in all different sizes. Various things to stir with. You need a wire whisk, a wooden spoon, and then a spatula to scrape the bowl. And last but not least, your ice cream maker. I'm going to show you how to use an electric ice cream maker, but there are various different types of ice cream makers that you can use. Whatever you prefer is going to work best for you. But the most important thing to remember is the actual freezing element of the ice cream maker, which is currently in the freezer, needs to be put in the freezer about a day in advance in order to freeze solid so that it can make your ice cream.